Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me. This is your moment to breathe, to slow down, and to feel peace inside. Welcome to Shine and Breathe. Come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down. Closing your eyes, clearing your mind. Coming into this present moment, inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose, taking deep, cleansing breaths. Feeling your breath as nourishment to your body as you start to relax. Taking a scan of your body, being aware of tension or stress that you're holding. And send your breath into those areas. Visualize it dissolving away, lovingly releasing. Eyes closed, breath flowing deep within yourself. Becoming in tune with your body and your breath. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Breathe in calm. Breathe out any tension. Breathe in peaceful energy and exhale gently. Feel your body getting softer, your thoughts beginning to slow down. Feeling safe, you are here now. In this present moment. As you breathe gently, fully relaxed, opening your heart to receive, allowing love to overflow from your heart, feeling love through every cell of your being. As you affirm, let these affirmations fill your heart like a soft light. I am peaceful. I am calm. I feel safe. My breath is slow and steady. My heart is quiet. My body is relaxed. I let go of stress. I let go of busy thoughts. I am peaceful inside and out. Imagine you're floating on a soft cloud. The cloud is light and warm, like a cozy blanket of peace. You feel completely safe, gently floating through a quiet sky. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be, just peaceful stillness. The breeze is soft. The sun is gentle. As you float, the cloud wraps you in a soft glow, filling you with peaceful light. You feel peaceful in your body. Peaceful in your thoughts. Peaceful in your heart. Let yourself rest here for a few more breaths. Soft, light, calm. You can return to this peaceful feeling anytime. With one breath, you come back to calm. With one thought, you remember your peace. I am peaceful. I am calm. I shine from within. When you're ready, come back to this present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes, stretching your body, taking a deep breath, feeling grateful. Allowing gratitude to overflow from your heart and carrying it with you. Thank you so much for taking this peaceful moment with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.